Hi, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Work Talk Essentials. I'm Dean John, and today we're diving into something that sounds simple but makes a big impact: how to introduce yourself at work. Whether you're starting a new job, joining a project, or meeting people from other departments, your first impression really matters.
Hi, Dean. I'm excited to talk about this. As someone who's just started a new job, I realize how nerve-wracking it can be to introduce yourself properly, especially when you want to sound confident, but not awkward or robotic.
Absolutely, Alexa. And the good news is, you don't need anything fancy. A warm smile and a few well-chosen words can go a long way. Let's break it down with examples, do's and don'ts, and real-life scenarios.
Okay, Dean. Let's say I just joined a company. What's the best way to introduce myself to my new team?
Great question. Here's a simple structure: your name, your role or department, where you're coming from, like your previous role or city, and something personal but light, like a hobby or interest. Let me give you an example. Hi, I'm Dean John. I just joined the marketing team as content strategist. I previously worked at Bold Ideas Agency, and I'm really into photography and hiking on weekends. Looking forward to working with you all.
Got it. Let me try. Hi, everyone. I'm Alexa. I've joined the product team as a junior analyst. I recently graduated from NYU and interned at a tech startup. I love puzzles and coffee chats. Happy to be here. How's that?
Perfect, Alexa. That's natural, warm, and informative. You sound approachable, and that's the key.
What about the other side? Let's say you're a manager or team lead. How should you introduce yourself to new joiners?
Great point. It's just as important for leaders to set the tone. Here's how I might do it. Hi, Alexa. Welcome aboard. I'm Dean John, head of the marketing department. I've been with the company for 6 years, and I'm really passionate about building creative strategies. If you need any help settling in or have questions, my door is always open.
That sounds really comforting. It takes the pressure off the new person and makes the environment feel welcoming.
Exactly. Introductions are about connection, not just information.
What about virtual meetings? Sometimes we're just a face on Zoom with our mic off.
True, but that's where a crisp intro helps. Keep it short but clear. Try this. Hi, everyone. I'm Alexa from the product team. I'll be assisting with data insights today. Looking forward to contributing. Or if you're leading, you might say, good morning. I'm Dean John. I'll be facilitating today's session on brand development. Let's keep it interactive.
Nice. That sets the tone and helps everyone know who's who. So, Dean, what should we not do when introducing ourselves?
Here are a few common pitfalls. Speaking too fast or mumbling, giving too much detail, your life story isn't needed, sounding too robotic or reading from a script, and forgetting to smile or make eye contact.
That makes sense. It's about being clear, natural, and professional, not performing. So, Dean, what if someone wants to add a fun twist? Any creative phrases?
Sure. You can say things like, hi, I'm the new kid on the block, Alexa. Or, hey there, happy to finally meet the faces behind the emails. Or even, I'm Alexa, coffee lover, data cruncher, and your go-to for spreadsheets. Just be mindful of the company culture. If it's formal, keep it polished. If it's relaxed, feel free to add personality.
I love those. I'm going to try the new kid on the block next time.
To wrap up, remember, introductions are the first step towards building relationships at work. Whether you're new or a veteran, every conversation starts with a hello.
Thanks, Dean. This was super helpful. I feel more prepared to introduce myself without overthinking it.
Glad to hear it. And to our listeners, next time you walk into a meeting or join a new team, take a deep breath, smile, and just be yourself. A good introduction opens the door to great things.